How to deactivate a Facebook account. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account using an iPhone, Android, or Samsung device. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel, as that really supports me. To begin, open the Facebook app and tap on the menu option at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to a new page. From there, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to access settings. Inside the settings, choose See More, then select Account Center near the top. Once you're in the Account Center, scroll down slightly and tap on Personal Details. On the next screen, select Account Ownership and Control, and then choose Deactivation or Deletion. Now pick the Facebook account you want to deactivate. The Deactivate Account option will already be selected, so tap Continue at the bottom. Keep in mind, if you manage any Facebook pages as the only admin, those pages will also be deactivated. You can avoid this by adding another admin. I've linked a tutorial in the description that explains how to do that. Go ahead and tap Continue. Enter your Facebook password, select Continue again, and your account will be temporarily deactivated. If this video was useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up.